how to duplicate a component in Webflow. So here I've opened up the website designer, and first I'm going to create a component by clicking on add elements here. I'm simply going to choose an image file, and then I will choose my image here from one of those that I've previously uploaded. So right here I have my image, and if I want to make it a component, I'll simply click on the box right here in the top right corner, create component, and we have to set a name for it. So I will do test component, and I'll simply create this one. So right here, after we have created the component, if we want to duplicate it, we're simply going to go back if we have it open. So we're going to go back to the main page, and you will see the component right here. If we want to duplicate it, we'll simply right click on it here, and you will see an option to duplicate. So we can either select it from here, or we can press Ctrl+D to duplicate this component. Now we can repeat the same thing from the left hand side here as well. So make sure you have selected the component itself. Right click and you will see duplicate. Once we click on it, then as you can see, we have created a duplicate of this component in Webflow. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.